Trump step Trump step to mediator role in Ukraine. Trump's push for peace talk. Since the beginning of his second term, President Donald Trump has prioritized to broken broken brokering an end to Russia-Ukraine war. The US administration is actively engaging in diplomatic effort to facilitate negotiation between Moscow and Kyiv, aiming to bring regional stability. Russia's response and diplomatic engagement. The Kremlin confirmed a 90-minute conversation between Trump and President Vladimir Putin regarding the conflict. Putin acknowledged Trump's effort and expressed openness to collaborating on global security, signaling a potential shift in diplomatic relations. Trump's changing stance on Russia. Trump's approach to Russia has evolved compared to his first term, where he faced criticism for being too accommodative towards Putin. While he previously praised some of Russia's strategic maneuvers, he now questions his handling of war, advocating for negotiated settlement. ट्रम्प अप्रोच लास्ट टाइम इसका मतलब क्रिटिसिज्म हुआ था क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा अकोमोडेटिव थे टुवर्ड्स द पुतिन, बट इस बार रसियन स्ट्रेटजिक मैनोवर हुआ है। ये मतलब बोल रहे हैं कि रसिया ये क्वेश्चनिंग कर रहे हैं, इट्स हैंडलिंग ऑफ वॉर, एडवोकेटिंग फॉर अ नेगोशिएटेड सेटलमेंट, challenges in achieving a peace deal. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky remains hesitant to negotiate under conditions that might compromise Ukraine's sovereignty, particularly with ongoing Western military and financial backing. Skepticism surrounds Russia's intention, with concern that Moscow might use talk to delay while strengthening its territorial control in eastern Ukraine. Skepticism surrounds Russia's intentions, with concern that Moscow might use talk to delay मतलब ये डिले करेगा while strengthening its territorial control in eastern यूक्रेन। ठीक है, यूरोप्स तो सबसे पहले देखो ट्रम्प का चेंजिंग स्टांस है ऑन रसिया, क्या चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं। एक तो ये जेलेंस्की डील नहीं करेगा, दूसरा है कि जो रसिया है वो डिले करने की कोशिश करेगा। यूरोप डिमांड्स इंक्लूजन इन नेगोशिएशन. European leaders have voiced concern over being excluded from US-Russian peace discussion. They emphasize that any peace deal must involve Ukraine and European nations to ensure lasting security. Trump's NATO policy and Ukraine's borders. Trump has suggested that Ukraine should drop its NATO membership bid, signaling US policy shift. He has also indicated that restoring Ukraine pre-2024 border is unrealistic, aligning with Russia's territorial claim. Experts argue that the US is shifting focus away from European security, prioritizing border control and competition with China instead. मतलब ये यूरोपियन सिक्योरिटी से आगे बढ़ के अपने बॉर्डर को सिक्योर करना चाहता है। ठीक है, यूक्रेन बॉर्डर पे मतलब तीनों यूरोप क्या कह रहा है, ट्रम्प का स्टैंस कैसे रसिया के लिए चेंज हो रहा है, दूसरा है कि क्या पीस में प्रॉब्लम क्या आएगी, तीसरा है कि जो यूरोप का क्या डिमांड है, और ट्रम्प की जो नाटो पॉलिसी और यूक्रेन बॉर्डर, ट्रम्प समवेयर रसिया की तरफ टिल्ट नज़र आ रहा है। सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ ट्रम्प पुतिन टॉक, a potential shift in global power dynamics. Trump's direct engagement with Russia marked a departure from past US foreign policy, which largely sought to isolate Russia. He compared his talk with Yatla Summit 1945 involving historical precedent of great power diplomacy. Trump announced plan for ceasefire talk and a meeting with Putin in Saudi Arabia, indicating a potential breakthrough in negotiation. Europe's exclusion in US Russia talk. Just as in 1945, European power has notably absent from the main negotiation. The US rejection of Ukraine NATO bid and recognition that territorial losses may be irreversible mark a significant policy shift. Ukraine previous US Russia summit such as Biden's Geneva talks in 2021, which failed. Russia's weakened position after 3 years of fight might make it more open to deal. अनलाइक प्रीवियस यूएस रसिया समिट, जैसे कि जो जेनेवा में बिडेन के साथ हो रहा था जो फेल हुआ, रसियाज वीकन पोजीशन आफ्टर 3 years of war might make it more open to deal. If successful, Trump could even visit Moscow for Russia's Victory Day in May, signaling a new US-Russia security agreement. Global impact क्या होगा? Asia and India's role. The implication of a potential Trump-Putin deal extend far beyond Europe. Strategic question क्या है? Will Trump shift focus from countering China after resolving Ukraine? Could he extend his peace effort to Taiwan issue? How will a US-Russia deal affect Moscow ties with Beijing? ठीक है. India's position in evolving global order. Unlike in Cold War era, India is now a major global player and could influence the new geopolitical landscape. PM Modi's meeting with Trump will be crucial in assessing Washington's broader strategic priorities. Discussion will likely include economic restructuring, particularly in countering China's dominance in global trade. With both India and US facing trade imbalances with China, Modi may align with Trump's push for new democratic-led economic order, ensuring fair trade. Conclusion क्या है? Trump's mediation effort could lead to a major shift in global geopolitics, redefining Russia relations. Major shift in global geopolitics, redefining US-Russia relation, Europe's role in security, and China's strategic position. India, as a rising global power, must navigate this changing order carefully to safeguard its strategic economic interest. अब हम देखते हैं ट्रम्प एंड वेस्ट एशिया. West Asia continue to grapple with a complex array of political and economic challenges that have significant implications for regional stability and international relations. Political challenges क्या हैं? वेस्ट एशिया में सबसे पहले है इजराइल पैलेस्टीन कन्फ्लिक्ट. द लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग कन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन इजराइल एंड पैलेस्टीन remains unresolved, contributing to regional instability. Recent escalations such as Israel extensive airstrike in Gaza have further strained relations and undermined ceasefire effort. Iran-Israel tension. The escalating confrontation between Iran and Israel continue to shape West Asian political dynamics with potential implications for regional stability. Rise of extremist faction including Houthis in Yemen maintaining a significant influence in certain areas, perpetuating violence and hindering peace initiative. The resilience of these groups pose ongoing security challenges. ठीक है, तो पहले तो पॉलिटिकल चैलेंजेस. अब आते हैं हम इकोनॉमिक चैलेंजेस क्या हैं वेस्ट एशिया में. कन्फ्लिक्ट induced economic strain. Prolonged conflict have devastated infrastructure and economies in countries like Syria, Yemen and Gaza, necessitating extensive and costly reconstruction effort. Extensive and costly reconstruction efforts. Western sanctions further complicate recovery processes. Oil dependency and market volatility. Volatility. Western Asia economies heavily rely on oil export, making them vulnerable to global market fluctuation. Shift in energy policies and potential decline in oil demand pose significant risks to economic stability. Trump's administration impact on West Asia. सबसे पहला है अनप्रेडिक्टेबल डिप्लोमेसी. President Trump's foreign policy approach has introduced new dynamics in West Asia. His administration actions such as initiating military campaign in Yemen have deepened US involvement in foreign region, raising concern about potential conflict with nations like Iran. Strained alliances. The administration transition foreign policy has caused unease among the traditional ally, leading to fear and increased global instability. Action perceived as undermining long-standing alliances have prompted some nations to reassess its defense strategies. पहले तो इनकी जो डिप्लोमेसी होती है वो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होती है. ठीक है. His administration actions such as initiating military campaign in Yemen have deepened US involvement in region, raising concern about potential conflict with nation like Iran. ठीक है. Strained alliances. The administration transactional foreign policy has caused transactional foreign policy has caused unease among the traditional ally, leading to fear of increased global instability. Action perceived as an undermining long-standing alliances have prompted some nations to reassess their defense strategy. In summary, West Asia faces integrate political and economic challenges exacerbated by external intervention and internal conflicts. The region's future stability hinges on addressing these issues through comprehensive diplomatic effort and sustainable economic strategy. ट्रम्प एंड मिडिल ईस्ट. ये वेस्ट एशिया की बात. ये मिडिल ईस्ट की बात करते हैं. Donald Trump's policy in Middle East, West Asia were marked by a transactional approach, prioritizing U.S. interests, strategic partnership, and aggressive diplomacy. His administration took key steps like expanding the Abraham Accord, withdrawing from Iran nuclear deal, and supporting Israel. Key policy and action in Middle East. Israel-Palestine conflicts. Jerusalem recognition 2017. Trump officially recognized Jerusalem as capital of Israel, moving the U.S. embassy there. Abraham Accord 2020 brokered normalization deal between Israel and Arab nations like UAE, Bahrain, Sudan, and Morocco. Peace to Prosperity Plan 2020 proposed a two-state solution with heavily favored Israel, leading to Palestinian rejection. Support for Israeli settlements. U.S. ceased considering Israel settlement in West Bank illegal under international law. Gaza relocation plan 2024 proposed in his second term suggested relocating Gaza's population to Egypt and Jordan, which is widely criticized. अब ईरान की तरफ पॉलिसी क्या है. ईरान पॉलिसी विड्रॉल फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियर डील 2018 में री इम्पोज सैंक्शन कॉलिंग द एग्रीमेंट वीक. मैक्सिमम प्रेशर स्ट्रेटजी. इकोनॉमिक सैंक्शन क्रिप्टेड ईरान्स इकोनॉमी. किलिंग ऑफ Qasim Soleimani targeted the Iranian military leader in airstrike, escalating tension. Iran-Israel proxy conflict. Trump policy led to increased clashes between Iran-backed militias and Israel. Saudi-US relation and Gulf policy. Close ties with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. फर्स्ट फॉरेन ट्रिप टू सऊदी अरबिया 2017 में सपोर्टेड सऊदी विजन 2030 इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स, ओवरलुक्ड ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ह्यूमन राइट वायलेशन सच एज जमाल खशोगी किलिंग्स, सऊदी investment in US Trump urged MBS to increase investment up to 1 trillion. Myanmar initially supported Saudi-led intervention but later restricted US arms sale due to humanitarian concern. अब आते हैं ईरान और इज़राइल के साथ इसकी क्या पॉलिसी है. defeating ISIS intensified military operation leading to fall of ISI and Khalifas. Withdrawal of US troops 2019 pulled US force from Syria, weakening Kurdish allies. Limited response to Turkish aggression allowed Turkey's offensive against Syrian Kurds, leading to regional instability. Afghan policy impact on Middle East. US Taliban deal 2020 negotiated troop withdrawal from Afghanistan, indirectly affecting regional security. Reduced Middle East focus, shift US attention to countering China. अब आते हैं कि हम बेसिकली क्या देख रहे थे, की पॉलिसीज़ सारे मेंबर्स के साथ. अब हम देख रहे हैं इकोनॉमिक एंड एनर्जी पॉलिसी और ऑयल मार्केट इन्फ्लुएंस. Pressurized OPEC Plus to stabilize oil prices. Sanction on Iran and Venezuela aimed to curb oil export. Energy dependence for US. Reduce reliance on Middle East oil. ऑयल मार्केट को इन्फ्लुएंस किया है, प्रेशराइज किया है OPEC प्लस कंट्रीज़ को, ईरान को और वेनेजुएला को सेंक्शन किया है, और एनर्जी इंडिपेंडेंस फॉर US. चैलेंजेस एंड क्रिटिसिज्म देखते हैं. सबसे पहला है अनप्रेडिक्टेबल डिप्लोमेसी क्रिएटेड अनसर्टेनिटी इन US फॉरेन पॉलिसी. एलिनिएशन ऑफ allies. यूरोप एंड मिडिल ईस्टर्न पार्टनर viewed his policy as erratic. Failure to contain Iran. Despite sanction, Iran continued nuclear activities. Limited progress on Israeli-Palestinian peace deal benefited Israel but ignored Palestinian demands. Strategic vacuum in Afghanistan and Syria. US withdrawal led to regional power shift. Possible impact of मतलब इनका सेकेंड टर्म का क्या है इम्पैक्ट होगा. सबसे पहला है एक्सपेंशन ऑफ अब्राहम अकॉर्ड. प्लान्स टू इंक्लूड सऊदी अरबिया बट रियाद डिमांड्स अ पैलेस्टीनियन स्टेट फर्स्ट. स्ट्रॉन्गर टाइज विद सऊदी अरबिया. MBS may invest more in US economy. Tougher stance on Iran. Possible escalation of sanction and military threats. Gaza resettlement proposal could further destabilize the region. Potential military action. Increased risk of conflict involving Iran, Israel and proxies. Conclusion. Trump's Middle East policy redefined US engagement in the region, strengthening Israel-Saudi ties while antagonizing China and Palestine. His possible return to power may bring renewed focus on Abraham Accord, oil security and aggressive Iran containment. However, his unpredictable diplomacy remains a key challenge for regional stability.